Oh, well, right there on the ground. Nice. So yeah, I'll put this over here. And this is no lie the most unusual setup that I've ever seen. So let me grab the replacement. I'm going to do the reverse of what I did. So here's the replacement. You can see just like the other side, it does that. Let me toss that. Let me put this in that. And let me put this back on. It's an unusual way to secure something, but okay. Alright, we'll go with that. It's a bracket piece, you know, it's not going to condemn the vehicle. So now it's just a matter of lining up the screws. Right. And those are only 2 screws, but whenever you're screwing something, whether it be 2, 3, 4, or 5, do them loosely first and then tighten them. Let's do whether you're working on your car, something IKEA furniture or whatever. So that's that. You can kind of see how it swivels like it's supposed to. So and this is some very, very strong oops. Velcro. I consider doing these next anyways, but I mean with this I'm not going to worry about it. Behaving normally. Behaving like it should, just like the other side. So what I'm going to do, just kind of come around here, snap that in, and that's how I replaced, you know, the 2 frame brackets. Anyhow, I'll talk to you.